The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 Sport Edition is an exceptional luxury SUV that blends power, opulence, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most sought-after models in the segment. With a stretching length of 18.5 feet, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 Sport Edition offers an imposing yet graceful presence on the road. The extended size allows for an expansive cabin, providing ample space for both passengers and cargo. The meticulously crafted exterior showcases the high-end craftsmanship of Mercedes-Maybach, with bold lines and a distinct grille that emphasize its grandeur. Despite being a luxury SUV, the Maybach GLS 800 is more than just a city cruiser. Equipped with advanced air suspension and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, this SUV can tackle off-road terrain with ease, offering smooth performance even on rough roads, rocky paths, or dirt trails. The off-road mode ensures optimal handling and traction on uneven surfaces, making it a versatile choice for those who want to explore beyond the asphalt. We're about to push this beast to its limits with a series of thrilling tests. The off-road test will challenge its ability to conquer rugged paths, while the snow drifting test will highlight the GLS 800's performance in slippery conditions. This will give you an idea of its all-weather capabilities, combining luxury with extreme off-road performance. But the fun doesn't stop there. We're also staging a drag race showdown featuring the Lamborghini Urus, Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800, Ford Shelby pickup, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan. These vehicles represent the pinnacle of performance and luxury, and we'll see how the Maybach GLS 800 stacks up against these powerful machines. Stay tuned as we push each of these extraordinary vehicles to their limits and find out which one reigns supreme in terms of acceleration. There are machines that break the rules of speed, and then there are machines that break the very concept of what's possible. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 Sport Edition is a masterpiece that doesn't just travel through space. It commands it. This isn't merely an SUV, it's a declaration, a moving cathedral of opulence, power, and untouchable presence. The moment it appears, the world pauses. Painted in a matte obsidian finish, the GLS 800 Sport Edition is cloaked in a dark, magnetic aura that captivates and draws the eye as though it were a singular force of nature. It doesn't need to shout its luxury, it simply is. The sheer size and commanding lines speak volumes, as though this SUV were forged by the gods themselves, designed to evoke awe rather than seek approval. It's not a car you drive. It's a statement you make, one that resonates even before the engine roars to life. The design is anything but ordinary. Every curve, every angle has purpose. The grille, an imposing structure of vertical chrome elements, demands respect. The wheels are engineered to perfection, massive, bold, yet effortlessly graceful. This is not a design that pleads for attention. It commands attention. With each step around it, the GLS 800 Sport Edition transforms, its profile shifting in the light like a living sculpture, a work of art with a spine of steel. It is not just built. It is crafted, calculated to evoke a visceral response, to make every other vehicle around it appear insignificant. When you step inside, the sensation continues. You're not merely inside a car, you've entered a different dimension of comfort and design. The cabin of the GLS 800 is a sanctuary, a cocoon wrapped in the finest materials, from black diamond quilted leather to soft touch surfaces that seem to melt under your fingertips. It's a space where time seems to stand still, where the outside world fades into nothingness as you are enveloped in an atmosphere of serenity. The ambient lighting shifts around you, setting the tone for any moment: cool blues for reflection, warm golds for relaxation, and deep reds for energy. It's not just a luxury SUV, it's an experience. The seats themselves are crafted to hold you, to wrap you in unparalleled comfort. They don't simply support you, they remember your body, understanding your every need. The rear seats recline with an ease that rivals the first-class cabins of private jets, ensuring that every moment spent inside feels like an indulgence. But make no mistake, beneath this luxurious exterior, this SUV is a beast. The 800 horsepower engine roars to life with a growl that reverberates in your chest. It is a symphony of power, effortless yet undeniable, capable of propelling this massive machine forward with an authority that bends the road to its will. But it's not just about speed. It's about control, about a mastery of both power and poise. On the road, the GLS 800 Sport Edition moves with a grace that belies its size. It floats over the asphalt, its suspension absorbing every imperfection, making even the roughest terrain feel like a smooth glide. It's the kind of performance that makes you feel as though you are floating, not driving, as if gravity itself has bent to your will. And when you need to conquer off-road terrain, the GLS 800 transforms. Its advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and air suspension allow it to dominate any surface, from sand to snow, with ease. It's not just an SUV, it's an unstoppable force, capable of navigating any challenge with quiet confidence. Yet, it's the aura of this machine that sticks with you. The GLS 800 Sport Edition doesn't just demand attention, it commands respect. Its presence is overwhelming, not because it shouts, but because it is. It doesn't need to prove anything. Every line, every curve, every inch of this machine has been designed to assert one thing: I am here, and the world will take notice. But it's not just about size or power, it's about presence. The GLS 800 Sport Edition bends reality, making you feel that everything else in the world exists in its shadow. It doesn't need to be the fastest. It doesn't need to be the loudest. What it does need is to exist, to stand apart from everything else, and that it does with authority. Whether cruising down the highway or conquering the roughest terrain, it's clear that this vehicle has been designed not just to transport you, but to define your journey. It's an SUV that does not exist in comparison to others. There is no rival, no competition, it is the benchmark. Its price tag, which starts at over $250,000, is a reflection of its uncompromising perfection, a price that is justified by every inch of craftsmanship, every moment of driving, every detail that went into its creation. The GLS 800 Sport Edition is not simply an SUV, it is a work of art, a vehicle that transcends time and space, a masterpiece on wheels that will redefine what it means to be a luxury vehicle.